Welcome! In front of me I have Samsung Galaxy Watch6 Classic, and I'm gonna show you how to enable and how to disable the location services on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the power button, the home button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, the home screen, and you can swipe up on the screen to open the menu. Once you open the menu, scroll down and find the settings icon and then tap on it to enter the settings. In settings, scroll through the menu, find the location option, and once you find it, tap on it to enter the menu. And in the location menu, we can turn on and off the location by tapping on the switch. And if you want to completely disable the location services, you can also scroll down, tap on Google Location Accuracy, and here we have the option Improve Location Accuracy, and you can disable it if you want to, or enable it if you want to by tapping on the switch. And once you're done, you can swipe right on the screen to go back, or press the home button right here to go back to watch face. And that's how you enable and how you disable the location services on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.